Good morning everybody. This is David Jackson. The damage you're seeing to our place, or my place, is from a typhoon that hit last night from about 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. It's not a problem. Hi, look, Arnold. There's your bike. Just thought you might be interested. Everything is okay. It survived. And it's about 6:30 in the evening. Slight damage next door. They survived. It's just a process of now cleaning up. And a bit of damage here on the floor. Our cat, he survived. A little bit shaken last night. And outside, everyone is waking up, surveying the damage. It's minor damage. No electricity at the present moment. There is some damage to some wooden houses. Other than that, concrete ones seem to be okay. Slight damage to that house there. Everyone survived, everything was fine. So this is the end of the hurricane, or the tornado, that's going out east, or going west, going west, and the other way is clear skies, slightly cloudy. Bit of damage. The fence there, the red fence, is down on the property across the road. Bit of damage to the tree. Pole down